Hi, Joe here from Henrys Suzuki in Glasgow. We're sitting in the eVitara, and a thing that's come up quite a lot is how there's not any list to change the stations on the multimedia system. So I'm just going to show you here in this video how it's done. So if we put it on to DAB radio, it opens up like so. Now normally what we would do is we'd press the arrows, and that would take you to the next station, and then you would save it like so. But to get the list, if you press this line just below DAB and FM, and that then goes to list, settings and volume, so you press list and that opens up the list. So then what you do is you just scroll to the list, scroll down the list to the station you want and press it in, and that will put you on to that station. If you press the go back button top left corner, takes you on, and then just hold the button down and that's you saved it. Thank you very much for your time.